Most people think ChatGPT is helping them think better. It's not. In a lot of cases, it's actually making your thinking worse. Here's the mistake. You ask ChatGPT a question. It gives you a clean answer, and you accept it. No pushback, no second option, no deeper thinking. That feels productive, but it's not. Because thinking doesn't come from answers. It comes from friction, from comparing ideas, from questioning assumptions, from seeing different angles. And when you skip that, you stop thinking altogether. And in a second, I'll show you how to fix this so ChatGPT actually improves your thinking instead of replacing it. Here's what to do instead. Don't accept the first answer. Challenge it. Step 1. Ask ChatGPT to argue against itself. Step 2. Ask for a completely different perspective. Step 3. Ask what it might be wrong about. Now, instead of just getting answers, you're thinking again. Think about it like this. If someone gave you advice in real life, you wouldn't blindly follow it. You'd question it. You'd compare it. You'd think it through. ChatGPT should be no different. If you use it passively, it replaces your thinking. If you use it actively, it sharpens it. Follow for more ways to turn ChatGPT into a real decision system.